Hey, Sean Mathis here, founder of Miles to Time Automotive Museum. This time I want to show you a 1924 Model T. This car is pretty special, simply because it is a family heirloom car, which a lot of these cars happen to be that are on display here at the museum. This one particularly is a 1924 Model T. And believe it or not, this car was actually sitting in a storage unit, and we actually drove it into the museum. Truitt, the executive director, actually went to the storage unit, grabbed this car, and drove it into the museum, which is awesome. There's a video somewhere on YouTube here that you can actually see the car running, and we turn the fuel off to it and let it run until it died to make sure that the fuel isn't stuck in there, which is something you got to do to these old cars. Otherwise, you're going to have yourself a whole lot of problems. But check this thing out. It's pretty neat.